Okay guys, so this is what it came with the box. Didn't come with instruction whatsoever, so I have to MacGyver and see how we're gonna get this done. So obviously you have your left side and your right side. So this is, I mean, either or. You can use this one for the left and one for the right side. These are clips that we're gonna have to remove later so we can put it on these ball joints. Okay, and first thing gonna do is gonna pop the hood on your driver's side. It's right here. You're gonna open the hood and use your original hood assistant. And what you're gonna do is you have two bolts. You're gonna unscrew the top one, okay? And then you're gonna unscrew this screw here. All right, there's two. One, two is gonna be this one, and then the top bolt for both sides. For the big one, you're gonna use the number 13, and for the small one, you're gonna use the number 10. Let me focus here. Okay, the number 10 for this one, 13 for this one. All right, let me do that. I'll be back. All right, guys. So I'm basically done here on the left side. I'll do the right next, but this is how you're gonna do. I made a mistake on these bolts. It's not 13. It's 12. Okay, that's why, you know, you'll see this one like that. So I use number 12 for these. So see how it's looking, you know. This ball here is facing outward, and this one is facing inward. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna unclip this guy over here with a screwdriver, put it in. For this one, you gotta be tricky. You gotta lift the hood, okay, and then put this one in. All right, so many guys try to compress this and do this and that. No, leave the hood and then put this guy in. This is weird because even though if you see the truck this way, which is my left side, but this guy actually is the right. So the R's is for the passenger side, the L is for the driver's side. Oh, one more thing, guys, I forgot. So well, this is the final product. See, you see this one on the left and this one on the right. This one how it's looking. Okay, you can do this in 15 minutes really easy. Now people is asking me, how do you gonna remove the one that came with the truck? This one here. Okay, so this clip over here that holds the old hood assistance, you can just take it off with the screwdriver. Okay, and this one on this side here, same thing with the screwdriver. You just pop it out and then just put the plastic cover, just put it back. And I'm gonna save these two guys just in case I want to go back to the original. All right, guys, so that's all. And yeah, now for sure, see you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Oh, one more thing. Sorry. So the opening with the original from here to here was 28. With the new ones from here to here now is 34. So gives you more clearance to work under the hood. Well, I hope I cover everything. I don't think I have anything left to say. I hope you guys like it, do it in your truck. And yes, now I'll see you in the next one. Bye.